Hey, what's up, you guys? My name is Tara, and here on my channel, I formulate skincare products. Today, I'm making this foaming face wash that's specifically formulated for those with oily, acne-prone skin. This is a video I recorded back in February, and I'm going out of town for the week, so I needed a last-minute video, so here you guys go. So I'm making a 200-gram batch, and we're starting with phase A. This is a magnetic stir. It's a little bean that you add in and you place on this magnetic plate that I have, and then it just spins on your own, so you don't have to stir everything. So I started out with 43 grams of distilled water, and then I added in 40 grams of witch hazel hydrosol. If you want, you can use the witch hazel hydrosol instead of distilled water. Then I added in 40 grams of lavender hydrosol. Again, you can use lavender instead of the water. Then I added in 10 grams of propanediol, and then I added in 4 grams of willow bark extract. This will add in very, very mild exfoliation, like severely mild. And then 1 gram of liquid dermal plus, and this is the preservative. So setting that to the side, we can move on to phase B, and this is the surfactant phase. Again, I'm using a little bean magnetic stir. In the end, I didn't need it because this phase got too thick, but I added in 40 grams of AOS 40. This is an anionic foaming surfactant. This is what's going to make the face wash foam and lather. And then I added in 20 grams of decoglucoside. This again pairs really well with an anionic surfactant. It's non-ionic, and this also will help add lather and foam. And then lastly, I'm adding in 2 grams of glycerol oleate. This is a super fatting agent, and this will make the face wash feel really luxurious and like expensive. This is what will help make the face wash more mild. Those of you who like to add oil into your face washes, try a glycerol oleate, like a super fatting agent instead, and you'll probably love it. This is perfect for foaming face washes because those can feel a bit drying and harsh on the skin, in my opinion. So here I am mixing it all together because, again, like I said earlier, this got too thick for the bean to mix it all up. So I had to basically hand mix it and then pull out the little bean. Now, we're going to grab the phase A beaker again and turn on the magnetic stir. And as it mixes, we're going to pour the phase B into phase A. You can just do this by hand mixing it and pouring phase B into phase A while mixing. And then, of course, you got to get out that little bean in there. We don't want to leave that in there. And this is the time when you can check and adjust the pH. I have a video that goes into more detail on how to adjust the pH. It's a really long, in-depth topic. It's super important to know if you want to formulate skincare products. pH is one of the most important things, I would probably say. So go watch my video all about pH if you want to learn more. You want the pH of this face wash to be anywhere between 4.5 to 5.5. And the natural pH of this face wash was 8.28, 27, somewhere around there. So I had to reduce the pH with a citric acid buffer. This is 50% citric acid dissolved in 50% distilled water. And I just add like a drop or two. You need a small amount, especially when you're making a small batch. Just 1 drop at first, and then check the pH again and see where you're at. You can always add more of the buffer, but you can't take it away. So mine is at 4.89. I'm leaving it there. If I add any more, it'll probably be too low. And also, I probably recommend letting this sit overnight. Mine doesn't look too foaming here, but yours might get more foamy. Just depends. You might have to let it sit overnight before you bottle it up. And yeah, just pour it into your bottle, add on the cap, and there you go. Foaming face washes are so freaking easy to make. You don't have to worry about thickening them. They're just great for beginners to make. So let me know if you tried this out and let me know what you think of it. Later. Also, don't forget to go over and check out my Patreon, where I post 2 exclusive videos every single month. So there are a ton of videos you can go over there and binge watch for only $5 a month. And for $10 a month, you can get a small business shout out, or maybe you have a YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and shout everybody out. Nature's Farm Girl, thank you so much. Let's Blend, thank you. HempyGirl.com. ShopLevi's.com or ShopLevi's.com. 7th House and Oak on Etsy, at Black Petal Beauty on Instagram, Owl and Lily on Etsy, ZayelaMoore.com, I hope I said that right, EmbraceBeautyEssentials.com, LegendaryBathandBody.com, at Stardust Bath and Body on Instagram, AstariApothecary.com, Rebecca Cosmetics here on YouTube, naturesmagicllc.com, and exorebb.com. Everybody will be linked down in my description box. Go sign up if you want a shout out, or if you just want bonus content. The shout out tier might be full. It's full pretty often because I only have so much space in the description box to link to everybody.